In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove AI overviews in DuckDuckGo web search. If you prefer a clean and traditional search experience without AI-generated summaries appearing at the top of your results, DuckDuckGo allows you to disable this feature in just a few simple steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to go in the settings and what changes to make so your search results return to a standard link-based layout. To begin, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you're using the actual DuckDuckGo app or desktop browser interface, not just a DuckDuckGo search page inside another browser. Once it loads fully, give the interface a moment to stabilize so all options are visible and responsive. Next, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the main menu icon. This is typically shown as three horizontal lines, commonly known as the hamburger menu. Click or tap on this icon to open the main navigation panel. This menu is where DuckDuckGo keeps most of its settings, privacy controls, and customization options. From the menu list, select Settings. Once you're inside the settings area, scroll until you find a section labeled AI Features. This section contains controls related to AI-generated search enhancements and summaries that appear within your results. Enter the AI Features section and locate the option related to DuckDuckAI. This feature is responsible for producing AI-generated overviews that appear at the top of search results. When it is enabled, you may see summarized answers before the standard list of websites. To remove these summaries, choose the option to disable DuckDuckAI. After selecting the Disable option, you may be asked to confirm your choice. If a confirmation prompt appears, select the option again to proceed. Once confirmed, the change should apply immediately without requiring any additional adjustments. After this, return to the search page and perform a new search. You should now notice that the AI Overview section no longer appears, and your results will display in the traditional format, showing only standard links and descriptions. It is important to note that this change does not affect other privacy settings or browsing features. Your core DuckDuckGo protections remain active, and only the AI-generated summary feature is disabled. If you ever wish to restore it, you can return to the same settings area and re-enable DuckDuckAI at any time. If you do not immediately see the AI Features section, simply scroll within the Settings menu, as its position may vary slightly depending on updates. The overall path remains consistent. Open the menu, go to Settings, and adjust AI Features accordingly. And that is all it takes to remove AI overviews from DuckDuckGo search and return to a more traditional browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.